Hello everyone, happy to see you once again with a new topic called operational amplifiers. So application of amplifiers will be in musical instruments, oscillators, video amplifiers, current to voltage converters and voltage followers. So all these are the basic applications of amplifiers. Coming to operational amplifier, this is the symbol of operational amplifier which has two inputs and one output. The two inputs will be non-inverting terminal and the inverting terminal. The basic role is to amplify and output the voltage difference between the two input pins. So this is the basic role of an operational amplifier, and it is an integrated circuit that can amplify weak signals also, weak electric signals. So this is the pin configuration. It is an 8-pin IC, integrated circuit. It is an 8-pin IC. IC741 is called as an amplifier IC, where the first pin will be offset null, second pin will be inverting input, third one non-inverting input, fourth one will be negative voltage, whereas seventh one will be positive voltage, and fifth one also will be offset null, sixth one will give you the output, and eighth pin will not be used. So this is the pin configuration of an operational amplifier. So we have ideal operational amplifier where it will be having infinite input resistance, zero output impedance. This is the characteristics of ideal operational amplifier. So infinite bandwidth also. Coming to inverting amplifiers, two very important rules that we have to remember about inverting amplifier is no current will flow through the input terminal. No current will flow into the input terminal, and the difference of the input voltage will be equal to 0. That is V1 and V2 will be equal to 0. The virtual earth summing point, which is marked in the diagram, this shows the inverting amplifier diagram. The first one will be negative terminal and the second input will be positive terminal, whereas V1 and V2. The negative sign in the equation indicates an inversion of the output signal, which with respect to the input, as it is 180 degree out of phase. This is due to the feedback being negative in value. Coming to non-inverting amplifier, see the negative second part, V1 is grounded and V input is given, only one input is given, another is grounded, and it is given as the feedback. So V1 will be equal to both the resistors are parallel, so R2 by R2 plus RF into output voltage. This will be the voltage gain value of the non-inverting amplifier, that is V output by V input. Coming to non-inverting amplifier, this we derived the inverting equation, current equation and the output voltage equations. So op-amp applications, we can summer, clipper and clamper, we call it as the applications of op-amp, where we can cut the voltage where it is not needed. So the output, the top value, top sign, we have the full, here the voltage is clipped. So this is the clipper applications of operational amplifier. This we have two types of shaping circuits, clippers and clampers. This we call it as wave shaping circuits. So the input waveform can be shaped as the required output. So these circuits perform two functions: attenuate the applied value and alter the DC level of the applied wave. So there are two types of waving shaping circuits, clippers and clampers. In clipper, again we will be having two types, positive clipper and negative clipper. So any electronic circuit that produces an output by removing a part of the input, we call it as reference value. The output of the clipper will be same as that of the input of the other than the clipped part. So the clipped part alone will not be there, rest of the waveform will be remaining the same. So this will be positive clipper and negative clipper, whereas the top part, positive half cycle is clipped, here the negative half cycle is clipped. Coming to clampers, we have positive clamper and negative clamper, and this is shifting the waveform. The positive clamper is the clamper, the circuit that produces an output in such a way that the input signal gets shifted vertically by the positive DC value. This we call it as clamper. So as a summary, in this video we have discussed about the amplifiers, application of amplifiers, operational amplifiers and its types, that is inverting and non-inverting, and applications we have discussed about clippers and clampers. Thank you.